It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today there's another market drop, especially in the morning. When I opened the broker-dealer software, I saw that almost everything turns red. So in every kind of market correction / market drop, I will bring out the list I would like to buy and to set a limit order. So in case the market drop has below my expectation, I can go ahead to buy the stocks I always wanted. So today I want to share 3 stocks I would like to buy in a market crash. Hope that will provide some idea to you guys. So now let's get started. So currently on my portfolio, I have half stock and half cash. And through my stocks, they are mostly value stock and would be very stable. So stocks like AT&T and BRKB and Webull has been occupying most of my stock. It's just because this year is the election year and also the pandemic, the possibility of second wave. Because I'm a very risk-averse investor, so I would rather put money to the safer stocks, which I can expect a stable return, so that I would sleep better at night. But if there's a market correction, I would like to go ahead to buy more growth stocks. And there are 3 stocks that is my top list, including Google stock, Amazon stock, and Nvidia stock. I've analyzed these 3 stocks in my previous videos. So the reason I select these 3 stocks is because Google, Amazon, and Nvidia are the market leader in those industries, and their EPS, earnings per share growth, has been positive for the past 5 years, and their ROE, return on equity, has been more than 20%. So I think there's higher probability that those companies are gonna continue to grow, as they do have the competitive advantage comparing with these competitors. And also I think these 3 companies has accumulated the best talents people in the industry. So my strategy is because my target return on investment is around 20%. So what I'm gonna do is I will look at the 52 weeks high, and then I will wait for the stock has dropped to 20%. So after the stock price has dropped more than 20% from the highest point, I will start to buy. And so if you calculate that, you can see that for Amazon it's around 2,800, for Google it's around 1,300 something, and for Nvidia it's about 400 something. So that's my plan going on. So if the market is gonna drop more and it's reach this 20% line, I will go ahead to buy these stocks, and already set a limit buy in my broker-dealer account. So I will not stress out during this period of time because I just execute my plan. And for the portfolio of this stock, I have done the back test and comparing with S&P 500, Nasdaq 100, and Dow Jones this year, and I found that these 3 stocks, the overall performance, it outperforms S&P 500 by 78% and outperform Nasdaq 100 by 49%, and also outperform Dow Jones by 87%. So that return is far more than my goal, and I think it's pretty awesome. So as we look at the data for the past 12 months, so that kind of makes me have confidence in this portfolio. So I think I will just divide them equally with the cash available on hand, and because there's always some other opportunities. And also realize that some value stock, their current P ratio is around 20 to 30. So at this time, maybe also create an opportunity to buy. So for these 3 stocks, I think for each one, my position will not be over 10%. Just to make my portfolio more diversified and make sure that I always have some bullet in case I figure out there's better stock trading up. Other than that, like previously, I also want to buy Facebook and iRobot stock. In the first half year of 2020, I already earned like around 50% return from Facebook and iRobot, and I recently sold all of them. For Facebook, it's because what I heard like Mark Zuckerberg's speech on the hearings, like I just feel like the companies can do anything for the competition. So I feel like the company is not fast enough in a competition, and they are not as innovative as before. And for iRobot, because of the Cold War between China and America, and iRobot's manufacturing line are in China, and they probably will suffer from tariffs. So that's some uncertainty I would not predict. So yeah, that's all the 3 major stock for growth I'd like to buy when the market drops. Thank you guys for listening, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.